a gona mošono senthaipaka like ga ke re ga gona mošono senthaipaka gore ga ke go batla ke go batla and then I will make sure gore ke go kry.
Even when the guy is straight.
Yes.
How do you convince a guy who is straight when all gay?
Chatting for a week. But this chat ya rona it will end up ile somewhere. For now nka botsana ka bochomi rana shao. Next time o tlo mpotsa what are you doing? Ke ra ke robetse se ke borehile yang. Oh I didn't say yo I'm just horny. So boyfriend ta go ganya ka anale o itseng ka anale o utlile kae what happened? Then when you keep on saying my boyfriend o straight o sharp. We found ba bang ba itsubele wa raba tseba gore ke di friend. Mara ile rula le ba dire ba ke le dia re itse ba gore ke di friend ke ba shimana ba sharp ba ba jolan rona.
Ba jola le basadi as well.
Ba jola le basadi ba jola rona but re thotse bone lo mong phezeng o mong.
Like a banana straight.
Yes.
Ba na le ba bolela ka base.
Yeah. Ka re bona ba le re tsena fa le rutwa. Bona ba di base tseo.
Hi.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm okay.
I'm good. If you can just maybe stand still a little bit, yeah, what? Just for the camera so that they don't get out of focus, yeah, what?
Okay.
Yeah, I like your jersey, Adidas. I hope they give me a sponsorship maybe one day in the future.
Sponsorship?
Yeah, well, we need money. Yeah.
I just wakala, don't worry.
Oh yeah, I'm actually noticing that two-piece, innit?
Yeah, it's good 2-piece.
Wow. Where did you buy it? You bought it at the mall or something?
USA.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
So you traveled to the United States? Yeah.
I'm not buying around here. Like, I'm that person on a farm. Not here. I can go to alone.
Oh,
Yeah.
Oh, I see. You're one of those people who they just want their own unique style.
Yes.
You know, now you go partying, you don't want to look like other people as well.
Yes, because of if you invite you, like, putting out, then I find someone along here is wearing like me, which means I must go back home and change.
Are you serious?
I don't forget that way it's unique.
But now I wouldn't mind. I mean, like, if regular something go Mr. Price, for example, go partying and maybe it's this jacket or the t-shirt, why not? When you are something and it's all
something inside so strong, man. I understand.
Yeah. Tell me about yourself. Who are you and where are you from?
Oh, my name is Katlego Mashaba. I'm from Brits. By the way, I'm in Brits in Joburg. Maybe let me say for a week I'm in Brits and 2 weeks I'm in Joburg. So I can say I'm staying in Brits and Joburg. Yes. From that side of Brits, working for education, and this side I'm doing media acting stuff.
Oh, yes. Is it? So in Brats you are doing education?
Yes, education.
Are you a teacher?
Yes.
Or you're working at a school?
Yes, I'm in primary school.
Oh, is it?
Yes.
How is it like being a teacher? Because I know, it's I'm sure it's a mission, eh?
So the things like, is it you're born to be or you're not born to be? You understand? As you maybe not born to be a teacher, so like kasarata of a teacher, I understand. Yes.
It's like you have to have maybe the characteristics of a parent.
Yes, I understand. I used to high too much, so it end up at that point. You understand? So yes.
So it's a childhood desire that you had.
Yes.
And then it grew, and then you're like, you know what? I need to be a teacher.
Yes. And then from the start, let me say, the practical for management. So when I was doing the practical for management, like I did my practicals at primary school, then I started to develop that thing. You understand? Then I end up saying, okay, let me go to school so that I can do education because I see that I'm good when it comes to it.
Yeah.
Yes.
Were you intentional that you actually want to teach in a primary school, or maybe at some point?
It happens so that when I was that side, sometimes when I was using my practicals, maybe one of the teachers is not available and so on. Then they keep on saying, okay, can you please come and assist for this class? Can you please come assist for this class? Then I end up seeing more. I'm good here, Amos. Yes.
Are you satisfied though as a teacher at primary school? Financially?
Too much. I'm okay. It's just like, okay, by the way, I like media too much.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
I see.
And I just to be sure I have to find a work this side so that I can do both of them this side, you understand? So it's like for now I'm that side, then maybe after school holidays or during the weekend I'm coming this side to do media. So I think for this time I just wanna do both of them in the same place. Yes. You know what, mate? Sometimes let me tell you something, ne? Like after completing your matric, firstly, you didn't do introspection. You just say, I just want to go to school. I just want to go to school. Then, how to learn even though, like, that's what I'm saying, you didn't do introspection, even if you can space the administrator or okay, social work, you just take the opportunity. But at the end, you say, oh, no, but this thing, it was not good for me. Understand? This thing, but it's not good for me. This is good for me. This thing is not good for you. As I'm saying, I was a president at high school. Ne?
Wow.
Yes, I was a president at high school. Then, school, my teacher is staying, everyone is staying. As a president, I handle school, and then imagine by that time, I was high school.
Wow.
But I was so good. So, my principal and then my class teachers and so on, they keep on telling me, but you see, Hori, this thing is good for you. You can. But by that time, I like media. So you understand, then I said, okay, let me go for them. I will see. Because of even mediating, some of the educators after school, they come and shoot and go back. After school, come and shoot and go back. So I say, Hori, they are me.
Yeah, Tlhakan.
Yes.
Yeah. Wow. Let's talk about it. You are part of the LGBTQI community.
Yes.
Where did it all start? Did it start from birth, or maybe at some point there was some sort of like a shift that you found yourself where you are today?
From birth. From birth, because of even if like right now I can, okay, from birth, ne? Since from primary, let me say, since from primary, I still remember when I was in grade 2, like, I was really hate to wear a long trouser, ne? Even if my sister, they used to buy me a shorts. You still remember by that time, like, we used to wear shorts than long trousers. So I used to keep on cutting it, or maybe just so that can be too much short. You understand me? Then I was trying, when I grew up, I was trying to give me the bashimani man. I was growing up with them, then try to meet halfway. Even if I see what I'm not that person, I was trying to fake myself. But at the end, they keep on saying, we're not, we're not like, understand? Then from Boma grade 2, I only have one friend, Mushiman, because of there before, maybe there were 6 to 7, but they keep on saying, like, no, you are. I've been tried, like, hi, Joe, you still remember by that time, cancer hore, you just write the letter, I love you, and so
I
on.
remember.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then they also used to say, I love you too. But 2 days.
Yeah.
2 days it gets feel like I'm dating you today, but after school, chow me. See? So like grow up like that.
So, Shem, you tried to,
Yes,
keep up
yes.
le bashimane ba bangwe gore look ke mojita le nna.
I didn't know go qala yang, even though to say I love you. I could see hore go qaliwa ka hore shit how in message wang hey your body and what. So later I said I love you. It's easy for me. Yes, it was easy for me.
And this was in primary.
Yes. And then imagine by grade 2, grade 3. So when grade 3, everyone, even at school, like everyone, never say about I.
It was clear, ne?
Yeah, it was very, very clear.
Yeah. I always ask myself, for a young, let's say a guy who's part of the LGBTQI community, like, I'm sure it must be very difficult. For example, if you find yourself in public spaces, how do you maneuver, we are going to toilet there, but for you, how was it like, especially when you are a teenager?
Yo, when I was a teenager, this way they used to call me Basoba because of you do understand. Like someone like or a gay, this and that, like someone like in anger too much, then but I get some tertiary. I started to be a friendly President Gay table. Then there was this other gay, Baraki Frida, and other one, Lidwab, and so forth. So that time, okay, at least no more environment thing, there's a lot of gays there. Then go primary, I was only 1K more musculo.
The only one at that time.
The only one,
Yo.
yes. Yes, we are two. Yes. But now I was 18, then this other one was not 18, so it was not tough for him. I understand. Especially when it comes to that part of and then even we need the number. Bashimana bottle abemel, Bastana bottle abemel. Yo. God, I was just visual. The time of Bashimana abemel. I can say, ma'am, can I please go to the toilet so that to show her who I am. Akikamo anda banyani or gafo Bashimani. I understand. Yes. So I can feel like I can go rest in the campus. Katamaka go panel those friend of mine. Then Bampa that thing earlier hore. Show me. Now let's go to Helanam. So this thing you fight is not good for you. So we used to call each other, hi gay, like in front of everyone. That thing earlier told me and help. Even now, if ukakopan gay, staban, I'm just looking at you and say, hi, what's up? Then when you thought horingi, no nyaka and so on. But when you say hi gay, and now I gay is nothing fun, it's just like my name. Yes, it's my name. It's my first name, by the way. Understand? And then what you said right now, yeah, it's sometimes it happening, especially for now since skater media, because of comedian, they used to, according to my height and so on. My first partner, like my generation, I'm a gangster generation. Oh, I'm a gangster. Imagine, I'm a gangster at that time. There's this other movie, okay, Skim Sam, not movie, Skim Sam. I'm a gangster. I'm banking the future. Oh, this other one, is coming up. I'm what? I'm a gangster. So, like, a lot of people, they keep on saying, yo, now we change she's no, he's tired, again, no. Why show her again among? Then how they didn't know her, like, when it comes to media, you don't have that thing when I choose it. I want to do this, I want to do that. The script, if script is said you have to do this, you will. I understand. And then according to media, they want to train us. I'm a gay. I do have to do them both. Yes.
Is it difficult for you to sort of switch into character of being a gangster? Because it seems like Barata Hofa, the producers Barata Hofa, this character, you're a gangster. It's like they see the side of you.
The only problem is because of, like, you know how media is it. If they see you once on this story, then someone at home and interested from that story again. So Barata gangster more. Yes.
I haven't seen you on screen, so I'm asking myself.
Yes.
Most of the time, Chester or maybe Paraspoti.
That's what I'm. That's why Kili act because of ke kgona ho actor dilo tse tsotlhe. Yes. Even now, o ka ba file no, wa simula no ware. Okay, let me tell you something. Wabona no ke jutsi le wena no. I can ke simula no ke actor ka ba a lady ka ba eng. Mara no ile hore ka tlara file I want to be a gangster even if my voice, my everything can change.
Even your voice.
Yes. Hole actor wa actor no one understand hore ke raya. Even now kana nka change ka simula ka emfethu. Ewen sandlela ka masinqala wena. Ya thoma wa change ya no ngiyacinga ya. Then I will come back to be a lady. Do you understand? I was a main cast go Hamulifi movie. There's this other one, okay. Hamulifi movie. Yes. Femme there. Femme means I'm feminine. Wearing weaves or dresses and so on. Yes.
What is the actual word?
Femme.
Femme.
Feminine. Yes.
And this is a gay person who wears the aparo tsa basadi, ne?
Yes, gay person ke goreng yeah, hona le ba lebeleng gore the gay person no go apara diaparo tsa basadi. Yeah, but hona le ba mbeleng gore o ka bela hape mo ging o ntse fela so o se etsa next o sa apara next and ke ra o ka di actions. Yes, so as long as o simolla o dress up wena o etsang go reng we call re go bitsa reng you are feminine. Yes.
Jeez, man, I
And
heard
then
you.
there's this other ones belong horeng the transgenders belong horeng in tse bo matswele whatever and so o changeile o ka kwale. Then after you change your part you can also change your part which means now you are the queen.
How do you change your part, your private part, ne?
Yes, a private part.
Are we there? Like I mean I don't know these things. Like are we there whereby a gay person can remove a private part?
Yes.
So what do they put? Do they put a
pussy, the pussy, you know.
artificial private part on the side? Because you know, I actually asked someone who works at the hospital, and they were telling me, or these things they actually happen, and I couldn't believe it because now
you can even fall pregnant.
So a man can fall pregnant.
Yes. As long as you change your private part, as long as otoma otsenya a pussy, which means everything inside you must be what? A lady. Which means you will also whom whatever everything. Chumi like ngase connected the TV and is na migala ka fogare is na di enka ka mohara. So everything I'm looking at it's fancy. It's a missing into him.
But my question go do they design it? Man.
I could say which maybe because I did who knows. Maybe because I did ghost. I could say as I change. But if I know I'm gonna do it. If I can either matswele, do it. If I need my palms to be big, I go to hospital to do it.
And then both for the pills, it's
yes, there is this other
hormonal pills.
Even Bara, did you get?
Paraguay hospital, they do that.
Yes.
Surgery, private part.
Yes, when I look the LGBTQ fan.
One department that day. I didn't know this.
Yes.
Have you done something like that or not yet?
I wanted to do that, but after Kieta Media, then I see or no. I hunt because of I do like media, and then the part it's about Keika when she sometimes they're not that much too much. Even in most storing hanchi, even if Oga Tomawanali that I'll give most storing hanchi for more than 2 years to inning hanchi. If we let talk, I understand most storing is one. And then the gay most storing happen. Because this will too much most stories is one like me, let me say my generation wa kra dile for ing hape rona ra lolela bo creamy o itse re lolela beng ka o sane ke tlabe ke tlhaile ka moromo mo kana o lotlha ka mo kana so like this too much drama there.
So they sort of create one storyline for a gay person that is going to fit in within the show.
Yeah.
Oh, I see.
So that's what I was saying. Lina, I did want to do that, but at the end I see her no. If I'm gonna do that, then for now, they used to give me the part of Bushiman. So if you like big bumps and so on, what will happen? So for me, it's totally no.
You spoke about you had anger and then too.
Yes.
What caused that? Is it because of maybe you felt like Batu they were bullying you so much? Because you can imagine, especially guys, go skolong, hey gay, hey gay, hey gay. So that sort of developed something.
Yeah. Too much, especially Hanekileko primary, yes. They were used to use those kind of words, stabani, gay, this and that way, understand? But I guess someone like again, I go high school, I was so matured because of, by that time, even if you go school and they started to know basopa or data own. As I said, they used to call me basopa or data own, basopa data own. So I guess I go high school like next legal because of next data. I understand, yes. But go primary because of Nesa deity, they were used to judge me. But I can go high school, oh yeah, oh wow. Similar data and so on. So when I say had by that time, go high school, yes. When I had to go to middle school and primary.
So you got to a point no longer bula.
Yes. Never say about when try umbula po. Le ukapi needs why easy mo baking fail
No tamaka okapi.
born.
Mara now le gay. Marai, let's all how le kila monna le change.
Fast.
Let's all how lona le change. Face ya how I'm
No,
pethaga
like gay lina, I'm a gay fan of Mara. Fana, yo, I shall. I get to keep a bankunzi sham club and Samitol.
Now I always say that the gay dia papatla. The gay, if you're a woman, you must never fight with a gay man.
Too much.
Oto papatla. Face ya high. Yeah, come on a change, mara face ya high. I call posa guy one fella. He will knock you out.
That's the thing because of getting how gay, how grow usumula or grow up. Only too much anger, too much. I understand. I understand. Even if look over it's not easy to accept the after face of you really mean it or yes, I'm a gay. And then by that time they don't know like you grew up like that. That's what I hate. Hence they know I grew up like that. Then they wanted to charge me. Hence I grew up in front of them. So at the end they wanna charge. Understand? So when they try to charge, which means like anger and then have a hate, you understand me? And then I go up and happy concealing the one put that thing ew. So that is why Hanchi over the gay debate because of banally anger in Cheva Hulanka from Batubaba Bizanga Maina and this and that. I understand. Yeah. Couldn't know already for anything.
Talk to me about your family. How do you about Jaja? I mean, like, did you feel like maybe I understand the type of person that you were at the time?
Now, my family, to telling you the truth, I have 4 sisters, 1 brother. But they don't understand. I feel like they don't understand the situation. And then sometimes I bad ka di gay. Mupili khaka. Ne? When I was growing up, I will somehow pet ngana kari gay mupili khaka. Kwa I try gore ankin say mo that thing earlier gore kere na ha ke gay. Na ha ke gay. But by that time in asa tsebe gore ke khole ke ntse ke bona gore o etsa eng motho ona. I understand. So bona they were there for me. Nearly any omong ke bolelang kena ona fela gore like yes nana le go bua yalo but at the end now ka bona gore a feletsa bona gore like motho o ke ena there's nothing I can do even now o there o sharp even if le no gen camera I can neither weave I want to buy a weave and so on I can tell okay sharp we batla leng I will buy it for you o acceptile I understand yes so now family ga ya zanke ampa nso that much because le bana ba bona ba I go hola gore like ne ke gola ka banyana fela ke sa batle bashimane and so on.
You know, Harakola, I'm a normal guy, I'm a straight guy. And within me growing up, there have been challenges in the dating space. Ujolale o, jolale o, jolale o. Eh, mujolo tla o trap, you know. But in your world, how's the dating world? Lefatshe la lona la o jola, like how is it? Is it difficult to be dating people as a gay man?
No, we see, like this one, this one is not hard. Even now, I'm in a relationship, ne? It's not hard to have a relationship being. The only problem occurring, us as a gay, who need, yo, we are too much. When I'm saying we are too much, meaning we're like, "Korangavalaza, man, rarangavalas." Today I'm with you, tomorrow I'm with this one, tomorrow I'm that one. Understand? This is what I keep on saying. Yes, they keep on they keep on saying gays kidifebe. One understand? They keep on saying that too much. Gay kidifebe and so on. So nafana it's not hard for her own relationship being. Understand? It's just bashimane babanchi. By haidile. Understand? It's just bashimane babanchi by haidile. Hakiri bashimane babanchi by haidile. I meaning horing bashimane barata khabarati too much the gates it's on rona feeling horing you are not straight acting. Barata ba ileng horing like mothateng gantsi o kra asa asa bona le gore like nna I'm gay or kiringi basa barata ba shana be gantsi ba sa pareng bo mesisi do mang because of what's ba hore ish ga ke na le even if ke kana le nna go haibile khono bona hore I'm dating a gay mar ha ke na le he is nka tsana ka hore this is my friend. Even if they are dating now, it doesn't show anything. You're wearing as you are, then I'm wearing as I am, then the voice changed, then no one knows what is happening, but as what's happening. So too much. They display for manyalong obana ili batho ileng gore ba pere too much manyalo at the gays ili ba lebeleng gore they're straighting, that they're acting straight. One understand, and then. Area where the gay this and that. Bashimane like this is true. Every day I give it like it's saying Bashimane like lama tahwamatiwa Bashimane like how wanna skate the fan. Lo and I start to say oh, wow. Unsuna le girlfriend how wow. Or le girlfriend how concluding then oh it's having but how's an or yo wow. So us as a gays really gay montle. Come here, Bashimane. Retsona le lone. That is why Lirona really naughty the way Lily naughty thing. I really think about it, gays is to it. No. Outside, I'm a lady. Inside, I'm a guy. As when Ogopan not to Muslim opil on the skates. How to like MTN or open is saying, fuck, I'm fine, I use this body. Ah, give a guy about which mangal is no, it's section come away and come young. Yes.
But in your case, you level Bashimane, like, or you would see a guy what he must say, or
I want to mission a sentay bag. Mission like I want to mission a sentay bag. I go bad like I go bad, and then I will make sure I can create. Even when I see this and because of Kaizu and or Umushimani, who is who create. I want to see this selling had.
Even when the guy is straight.
Yes.
Eish. How do you convince a guy all straight when all gay, Mbonsoro and our mother? And then I couldn't offer attention.
A guy who it's a guy like a guy. Understand? A guy, even if you are straight and then like a gay, I know recovery friend, exchanging numbers, chatting for a week. But this chat there one, it will end up somewhere. For now, I was an agabuchum, next time, what are you doing? Can I get over this? Oh, I didn't say, I'm just horny. Then, what was next time? What was I'm sending you a stick or something. I really want you. And I know you as a guy, you end up saying, hey, Joe, it's again, I know her into it, but I basically it's for a day. Okay, it's fine. It's going to be for a day. But once we really, never work a day. That's what I keep on saying mo batho ba bantši kere banyana kara ba ntšwetsa ba re chomi o itse ish nna moshimana ka o phela a ntse let's try anal. Hey nna ke nyaka anal, I need anal. O nyaka mo anal le moshimane o a sa tsebe gore anal e yang, nka tswa fela no ke ilo batla dijo tsa go makuleng ke re ke nyaka go ja dijo tsa makule ke sa ditse dijo tsa makule re yang. No, nka tswa fela ke re ke nyaka ya China, I need dijo tsa go China. Go jang tsa go China se ke sa setseng. So boyfriend ta go ga nyaka anal o itseng ka anal o utlile kae, what happened? Then when you keep on saying my boyfriend o straight o sharp. Bashimane be le gore ba nyetse ba ba tswa mo malapeng be le gore they are married. Yes. Be le gore some of them ke tšhomi tsa basadi ba bona, then they keep on saying text, what about? Re ka etsa insecret and so on. Like for my side azanke ka nna le moshimane o ka reng moshimane o straight. From my side.
So how do you see guys? You just do you think maybe it's easy for them to convert and be gay?
Too much. Especially a guy highly drunk. Especially or omothole a le ko tlapong or omothole la ko kae a le drunk. But drunk ba high fela bo montsha gore today I feel to smash. Then hana nako eo as long as moshimane a le ko monateng a le ko phapong a khona go data mosadi mogolo o reng are this for one night stand. Ke ntse le gore o khona etsa for gay. Ebile for gay o feel better gore at least ke ke re le size ke re le type ke re le eng mara no mo ba ke go le go ra go le wes. Especially moshimane wa highly drunk a gona nako le gore moshimane ka se mothole jwang. Guys, they like to experience.
What are you saying?
Yes.
There's a lot that I don't know. There's a lot that people
like
don't know.
They do really like to experience. Even if Mushimane mile easy, especially a straight guy, I love what I meeting like hi Joe, Nangas gonna the thing. Okay, how about go for blue job? Yes, it's fine. Blue job, yeah, blue job is okay. Ke mo fengwe eslege bo hale thata bona go itse a tswe ditsika a half a tlhang. Mane ho feel mo teng gore a smash then ke tlohele ke re no. I'm tired. Joe, please, no, I'm tired. Joe, please, I'm tired. Okay, let me try it. Eat like because of I knew what I was saying. Yes. So this I go was I wanted to have to a street guy.
Do they sometimes maybe offer you money or get offer something?
Yes, that's what I'm saying, especially more about they are babanyetsi and so on. Especially when I'm even like Joe. Can you please come go I will give you this amount of money. I will give you this amount of money. Especially there's this other the factory. Mochos.
Yeah.
Yeah. There, how can I like only a guy? How can you appear? Mojobek. There's a factory the factory. How's I what trouble? You must. Into how Udibako Koloin or Udikenya Kamahara Lokara, Lokara, and so on.
What do you mean, or what trouble?
Underwear or yes, what trouble underwear or Osalaga underwear? How it's in your berry brook. It's better if you salaga underwear or you take it off. So, Bashino Banga, the Bill Rabbits, Verbatella, when I go the factory go, Bill Robana, street guy, and so on. But when I go the factory go, hat like a hole is too much irrelevant like a mar. You go with Ala Michologotenko.
Where is this place? I don't know it.
It's in town, yeah.
CBD, Komahara Town
Yeah.
Street. I don't know it. Is it underground or maybe go flatting? I don't know it.
I once fell out late, because if I'm not that good when it comes to job, as I told you, I'm out of breath, yes. So, that place, like, it's really happening in that side.
So, how's enough but to be naked?
Naked, how can I follow Male, wait until the high? Mole who changes 20 number, got one.
Babamba busy, go toilet.
Yes.
Yes.
And then the worst part, Ronaldo gay experience it. Keep on never shimane they keep on saying Bonaba straight hard one. On the bottom, on the vest, on a bottom, get somebody long and he just fuck. On the Ronaldo the bottom we only get fucked.
Okay.
Go na le ba e leng gore they're averse. You fuck me, I fuck you back.
Oh,
If
so
you
ke bottom.
understand.
Sorry, I'm learning. Ke bottom, ke verse.
Yes.
Yeah.
Ke top.
Ke top.
Yes.
Top ke yena wa robalang le batho ena fela.
Yes.
A ba mo robale, yena o robala
Yes.
batho fela.
Yes. So that's why ke go botsang gore le nna o kara sometimes re ba so surprised because as now as I'm saying o kara es ke go tseba gore okay. What's your name? I forgot your name. What's your name?
Justice.
Yes. No, I know justice. Okay, justice ke mo tseba ke motho o also ke motho ba banyane. But ebi ina go le that part gore it happen gore nna le wena today or ish fuck Joe. Let's do this. Sure, I not today I'm home. Let's do this. Get okay sharp. As a my bottom, ke ntse tsa gore re phela re di face too much. Sa gore bashimane o kara a robetse le nna ha fetsa gore ba le nna. E ba ntse gore ish Joe le nna I just wanna ke batla utlwa gore go yang. Nya go utlwa gore go yang eng. I fucked you le nna kopa umfake. Like wena justice go fuck. Yes, can you please fuck me back? No, justice. Na me bottom engeng. O kara motho a kwatile for boshubo botlhe le bile anka le blanket ha e lo dula go sofeng ya hae just because of you didn't want to fuck him. O motse mara like you see le wena ba ibona gore e yang wa ibona gore e robetse e matepe ntso ena. So now I'm gonna fuck you. Ka go bole job, let me do that please mara motho teng tsa bua gore like na I'm straight. Mara o nya go fuck you. Ebe o kwate bo nka go be bo dula kwale o kwatile ona le enga. O kwatetse eng so sa sitseng so sengong o sutlo.
So this
It
is a
means
guy.
you used to do that.
So ke mo guy o mo straight.
Ke mo guy o straight.
This is unbelievable, eh?
Yes.
No idea boy.
Ke ntse le gore re di experience. Le last as I'm saying ke ntse ne ke bolele tshwenya ke yesterday le last we found ba bang ba itshubele gore ba tseba gore ke di friend. Mara re le rula le ba dire ba ke le they are fucking each other re itse ba gore ke di friend ke ba shimana ba shapo ba ba jolang rona.
Ba jola le basadi as well.
Ba jola le basadi ba jola rona but re thotse bone. O mong phezeng o mong.
Like banna straight.
Yes.
Ba na le ba bolela ka base. Ejo.
Yeah. Ka re bona ba le re tsena fa le rutwa. Bona ba di base tseo.
Understand? Dia boy yo. A le fatsela lona yo.
Yeah.
Dia boy. So
So I keep on saying enough for myself ke phela ke re bashimane for 100% ba nkareng ba re bone ba straight and so on. For my side I 10%, mo 90% for rona di gay for rona dilo tse re di bonang. Yes.
So ra re lona le bona dilo tse di makatsang
Too much, tse di makatsang, too much.
I know ke o tshepa it.
Yes. O makalle moshimane ana I keep on asking botsa chimisa ka re why chim ya how today o tsamile o nkile chimisa hae ba tsamile ba ile taverneng today okay shabo ha ba bua taverneng monna ha o jwetsa gore ene o tla go robala go bo boyfriend ta hae es jo ne go tletsa bana ke robetse go botshepiso how cause ba botle le dula mo placing a one. Let me say okay sharp ke dula go Skhwelane, this is the place that I coming from in Brits ke dula mo Skhwelane moshimane o dula mo Skhwelane e ba njwetsa gore okay ke tla go robala go bopita. Why go bopita? Because of refoswan ba botle it was not far. Taverne asi mo bopita asi
le ka mo drop amos le ka mo
why they didn't drop me?
Yeah,
Why they didn't drop him? Ne betsang go bopita ke se smetsa le robala go bopita a tla ga taverneng as I know gore ga tla ga taverneng ga nwele o honi o batla gore go eviwe rehave go bopita o etsang le pita
sure.
o robatsa eng ba tla monate ma botlhele they are honi. That's what I know ga motho a nwele gore he feel gore I can smash. So go bopita o batlang pita le ene a sa ya go tshepiso wa hae or and so on ba dutse ba le trigger for ho etsahalang wa ke le panta ba chisana this way ka o sane ba se godisa rona gore can you do this and that. This way get enough for bashimana botlhele bana I think 10% ke yone leng sharp 90 hour.
Hey,
O kara ke text moshimane o bua le moshimane mo WhatsApp or mo ntong ene moshana botsa gore ejo I can do this situation, it's just I'm straight, you straight, yeah, I'm a straight guy. Okay sure, no, it's not a problem. After my 3 days in ejo na as you know I'm a straight guy ke kopa blue job of fail how o street guy yam but o dumela re go fe
o
blowjob
nyaka go bua gape-gape
go fe blowjob okay sharp we got the blowjob when I was street guy so tleling is Joe again I'm just doing this thing for wena fela ka gore ke phela go tshwenya ba rompe blowjob mpa today ke no go letsa favor Joe ka go fa ka mare bona ke for once fela you know gore nna I'm a street guy o street guy yang umfaka o kile ba nna le rasta bo jana a ke re go le rasta ga o jena so wena street guy ya mara o khona ntare nna me street guy ke faka wena fela I'm not fucking for now like street guy se se jwang wena
Yeah, you were telling me that hona le app ya batho ba LGBTQI mo lorong gore ba tlhakana mo teng. Without mentioning the name of it, because I don't want to promote it. What kind of an app is it, Pilepi?
This app like Kering, it shows something that app when I'm here, like I'm around here, then maybe your friend into the other room and so on, he's also a gay or what? It gonna shows me you are around someone under LGBTQI. Oh, there's this other guy he's gay, he's next to me. Even if I go spa or I go after this step it's 100 or 50 go na le motho o tshwanang le wena ka kantsheng ena o tshwanang le wena ka gender. Yes. Okay, 1 kilometer to arrive mo mothong o mosong.
Yeah.
Yes.
Uber, so in a way.
Yeah, ke Uber.
Yeah.
Yeah, ke Uber.
But it just shows you. So even you follow the notifications. Or
yeah.
Alert, there's somebody close by who's maybe 1 kilometer away.
Yes.
Who's maybe gay or whatever. Maybe is a potential match with you as well.
And then too muchly, yona EPO ntwe ke related mo yona EPO. Ke horeng gantsi ha o tsana or atomare hi how are you sharp send me a pic or send a pic. Oh sharp I need a street guy. Okay sharp. Other one can you please send me a pic? Ish Joe no I don't like femmes and so on I need a straight guy. That's why I keep on telling you horeng o kopana le bashona ba bedi ba vayana no mfethu dinsang no ba fetsa kopana hona mo they're going to fuck wena o feel gore ke di chomi ba tsena mo room file and so on because of they keep on saying we need about street guy don't show that it can show the horeng go etsahala so then rona they keep on saying ma after 9 nna ke ba go rata moshigo gore go se ke be go bonahala horeng o ne ana le wena so motsegare wena you can't think about how they are having sex because of you think bamo both gender. Yes.
So have you met some people there on the app?
Yes. Maybe 3 to 4 people before this kind of situation. Yes.
What is the craziest thing that has ever happened on that app when you met this one person?
This is what happened. There's this other guy. We're communicating on that app. Ne? So this other guy, okay, by the way, he said he's Colin by that time. He said, my name is Colin. Then we communicate on that app. Then I thought that guy, he really liked me because of he keep on calling me, he keep on texting me, sending me airtime, sending me datas, and so on. So it comes a day, he invited me. Then I agreed. He requested Uber to pick me up. And when I arrived, he fetched me. As we hugged, like people was staring at me. Then I asked myself, why those people are looking at me? Or it is because of I'm a gay, and then maybe I'm working with a straight guy, So maybe they are so surprised. It's like, what's going on here and so on. They're from homophobic or what? Then she also noticed now, it's like, oh man, this one started to be suspicious, because of like, I was so surprised. Like people, they're staring at me. I understand. And then he decided to hug me in front of everyone. Why are you so quiet? No, I'm okay. I'll come and hug me. Come hug. Then he also kissed me in front of everyone. Like, I got a handsome guy, a future husband, and so on. Because, like, wow, he can kiss me in front of everyone. Like, yeah, Bona, it be like, thinking, feeling myself because of the guy handsome, tall as me, like muzzle. Then the guy got in. Then there was this other guy approaching from behind Brian. Okay, there's this other guy approaching from behind me. Then I started to feel scared. Then I tried to brush it off. Hi man. Oh, suddenly, he pointed me with a gun. Like, when I said, Colin, he came to me. If take when I give me your phone. If take best phone now, when I phone now. Then came for phone, Colin, phone. Then I thought they were gonna leave me. That guy, Ari, go down. Like, what let me cook. So then down there, Kiskanga. They took me straight to the bush area. Then that bush area is where they beated me with the what is this, sticks. I grew up in the bush, so there's too much sticks. They beat me with the stick. So by the time I beat the sticks, they just want to make the video calls and calls so that my family can see Horingi. They kidnapped me because of the already Navampofile. So then they tried to call. They tried to call my sister first time. Then my sister didn't answer the phone. Man shy. Phone. Then second one, at least the Usiaka I told. Then Bam Jweta. Arif, Sek, talk to your sister. Come Jweta. Siban kidnapping. Then Osaka, no, what's happening, guys? What do you want? But we had 10,000 rand. 10,000 rand, my sister. I don't have 10,000 rand for now, but I will make a plan. I will see what you do. Can you please give him at least 2 hours? I think by that time I will manage. Then they were scrolling, searching for my loved ones. Then they found this other friend of mine, Maleboho Mahogela from Rustenburg. Pamfonela, Maleboho. I see Chimya, the video calls and so on. Chimya guys screaming, I only have 5,000 rand to me, then I will send the Kalikopele, or let me go to his parent, then Rabana and so on. I understand. Then there was this other two happy. Oh, Maguga no Chabalala, Kiba Kisesan, one from Gogo Mergon, friend. Then Libon never phone. Libona, they're so stressed, they don't know what to do. Please, okay, we don't have that amount, but can you please go and communicate with Usahai so that we can make something and send it back to you? But we're thinking, he only left with 1 hour 30 minutes right now. Oh, so there were 4 by the time. Guys, for this 1 hour 30 minutes, how about for this 1 hour 30 minutes because of you don't do anything? I'm raping once. I got a gay win. So I'm raping. Then Chu agreed. This other one, I have to know, man. I don't know. This other one, or no, muchung in arengi. Or reclamo raper, harum molaya. Has never been a chalete. You know what? But hey, you think what? Customer feds or manager that they're gonna kill you because of you already saw our face and auto identify. Ke feel like actually like I'm low, I don't know what to do anymore. So by that time, Rajula. So I think from those people who were staring at me, and I think there was still this other people like, what can I say? Those people, Baba Hlokomelang, di Khomu, Jomang, ka for motseng. I understand. So I think when they were there on the bush, so I think they called the police.
Oh, the shepherds.
Yes, because of those people who are looking at me, they know that this guy is a gangster. Then they know how to like a So I think by that time, with the gun, a lot of people, they saw everything. They saw everything. So, after 20 minutes to I was only left with 30 minutes by that time. Alarm, click fan. Then, Anka phone. I am outside there. Then he just answered. He received a call, that guy. When he answered it, he started to scream, Guys, let's run. The police are already here. I understand? Like, guys, let's run. The police are already here. So, like, so this other one, cancer, the rape, and so on. He pointed me with a gun once, then put it down, and came again to me. Pointed me with a gun. Then this other one, Colin, I don't know. Don't you dare, don't do stupid thing. Please drop that thing because of sound a gun. It will be some police or where we are because of they're looking for him, this guy. And then they're just around here because of this guy, and then my police never look okay. Or on the main road. Then baggage him. I'm starting getting, I'm running. I just going happy. By that time, I'm so lost. Even if I do anything because of I still have that thing where maybe they are back, they are still looking for me. Why do you understand? Until baby boy, can you please help me? I need the main road. Where is the main road? Please, can you please show me a main street? I just want to go to the main street right now. Okay, no, it's not a problem. Just go straight there. I get can you please help? But help for what? We're looking for someone else. Please, but we're looking for someone else and it's important. Please, we'll attend your case after. It's me, they're looking for me by that time. So this other guy never for but is it you? Yes, it's me. Then they decided to banking. But banka phone phone as I'm saying, my family and my friend banking, as we're saying right now, they will send the money because of already next week they send them on bankile access send them phone yaka. Then when I had to come banka phone yaka phone yaka phone ele some family guys, I'm safe, stop at the thing yo. Because of already Mr. Banking relay number 3 to 4, we're about to right now. Then what I survived.
Oh man, you could have died. Imagine if ngesa allowed to, because remember you said Toro Usupilaka Stunya
once, twice, then Colin come. Colin no, don't do that.
So imagine if
and then by that time, as I'm saying, a dead body there.
Yeah.
Because of these things. Dating someone or something.
So the efforts are dangerous, isn't it?
Too much.
Ish.
Too much. The only problem like people that they have that thing the gays are rich. The gays van tšhelete. So they have that thing more aping in our this way na act that can't regulate the airtime me the data so that you can grab me or can that thing or yeah this guy who really like me. I understand. So but they have that thing guys or in the gay na le tšhelete the gay na leng so what's about hack fetsa kopan the gay and something will happen. Go get something. And then by that time, I get o shebile life how or
lifestyle how.
and so on. Yes.
Yeah. I see. It's not safe, man, out there for everybody.
For everybody.
It's not safe. But at least you were able to survive and escape.
Yes.
Worse could have happened,
Too much.
But today you are here. Yeah, and I'm glad that at least the police were able to act and search for you, Yeah. No, I'm grateful for you to share this information, because a lot of people who are gay, they're just living life, which is okay, but they don't know the dangers of it,
Of it. And they really like this app. I don't want to lie, they really like it. Because of sometimes, some of them, but they have money on that and they're giving them money. Others, but we kidnap your others because of, from that app, we hide. So Baba hiding some of them, they give them money or don't tell people or this person and so on. You understand? So in the advantage, disadvantage from it.
Is this a free app or maybe you pay monthly?
You're not paid monthly, just download it. But if you want more things, your monthly pay. There's a lot of things inside the you can do for monthly pay. So now not on a single big feel too much in total bill.
What would you say to gay men out there that may potentially see danger in the future, or maybe that can sort of avoid danger in the future?
Yeah, what I can say now, is that like case, let's stop dating. But what is being? Cause as I was sharing my story, like I think Lolena did too much from Sona story saying cause like people outside there guys are angry. Are hungry and another they are angry they don't like gays, especially when it comes to like especially Zulus from my side. Zulus they have that thing hey wena what's about makaya kamila ila gore no gays the gay hey I understand. So people outside there guys they don't like gays and I feel like they don't like gays even if gay ikatla sona aka ubolaya awubolaya just because of you are a gay. So these apps are going to data batho from the apps tse di sona le tlo thola le bana tshweleng gore ba bolawa bao. The very same thing to this other friend of mine eleng gore o tlhokofetse guys o tlhokofetse a le go fleteng a dutse le moshimane ma dutse le moshimane o le hatsana go pele o mmone gore o monkile ka hatsana go pele ga motšhomi ya ka apola are what the fuck you have a dick I thought you were a lady. Tšhomi ya ka thoma tsala what I'm a shapa ka dipanga, I'm a shapa ka everything. That friend of mine o tlhokofeletse a le go sepetlele. Khonka motho a sa motsebeng. So guys, take care. Stop the things that the apps tse o khosa kenya go di bolela ka maina.
Yeah,
those
please.
apps and so on and so on because of you will end up lele fa guys. Your parents are there, they don't have money, but they will end up back in the loan and they will end up make a lot of things so that they can protect you guys. So the situation you are kidnapped. So let's stay far guys for it's better to date someone one more. I think it's too much better. Even if it comes to the Facebook and so on, it's better if you can meet someone like KFC or then wamotsiba than before first meet up, then machanging. I understand. It's pretty hard outside there.
He looked like a woman, ne?
Yes.
Or the guy aba fleting.
Yes. No, it's not like the guy when I'm definitely sure the guy when I'm because of my friend here, this part, wa bonala, ona le, nana le, detail, so even if na kenze dress and na kenze weave na kenze ing, ona ntsa tseba, it's just fela ona sile. And then on top of it, umulile aste amorobets. After it, or you have a digging, yeah. If you like go consent on leon, amorobile then after.
Yeah.
So you see what the intentions.
Yeah, no, thank you. Thank you for sharing that advice, you know.
Yes.
There's a lot that...
there's a lot that...
Yeah, there's a lot. I think maybe you should come back for a part 2, especially in the dating space. There's a lot that people don't actually know. It's a hidden world, man, and I think people need to know about that world so that if maybe somebody falls victim, at least they can at least know what it's a halang or what. Yeah, but thank you so much, Katleo. I really appreciate your time.
Thank you.